You want to sit? Go ahead.
If not, we have to figure out how to get there by like shuttle bus. And make darn sure it cleans very well. It's actually a very beautiful spot to stop and look around. It's a very beautiful day. I think we cannot go from here. We have very, very fresh water. And then Lake Louise, let's go.
Climb at the very top of those mountains. So, do you need fuel?
Come over here.
Wow. Look at that water.
And you see the glaciers over there?
Oops.